We inhale like swim well. I don't either. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair is back. I had the dreads in for about a month and a half and it was good. They were looking nice. I didn't want to take them out, but I know I needed to take them out. My hair needs to break, needs to be washed. And before I go to school, I'm going to be putting it in another protective style. So this is my hair. It looks like the color of it looks different. It is dry. I have been oiling my hair. I've been using my Jamaican black castor oil and it's been doing nice. I've been putting it on my scalp. I took it out yesterday and I put this mayonnaise, hair mayonnaise in it. I left it in there and then I did some stuff today. My hair is nice and dry and oily and smells like mayonnaise. It doesn't stink, but I'm gonna be doing a rice water rinse. And if you don't know what a rice water rinse is, it basically means that you're rinsing your hair with rice water. I have my handy dandy rice water in this bottle and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. The last time I used rice water was before I put those braids in my hair. And that has been some time ago. The reason why I stopped using the rice water was not because it was bad for my hair or anything. Like, I really did like it. It was a lot of work. And it was a lot of work to keep like doing my hair every week and coming up with new styles and washing it every week. Like, it wasn't a good thing for my schedule, so I had to stop. Although it did help my hair grow, I couldn't keep up with that regimen. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section my hair. I just did. It's uneven. I'm not parting it to make it look nice. I'm just pulling it apart. So I'm gonna spray the rice water in my hair, brush through it, and then I'm going to get in the shower, rinse it out, and then I'm gonna deep condition it because it needs to be deep conditioned. I still don't know what to do with my hair next, so it buys me some time. A lot of you guys have been asking me questions about the rice water. I have been like responding, but if you guys still have a question that I haven't answered, comment under this video and I will definitely answer your question. My mom, she's been using black rice water. And she tells me that she likes it. And if you want me to, I can do a review on the black rice water for you guys. But I haven't used it. I haven't felt the need to use it. But I have noticed that it's been making her hair a lot thicker. In case you're wondering where I got this brush from, my cousin gave it to me. I don't know what type of brush it is. It looks like a Denman brush. It doesn't have like the Denman logo on it. So I couldn't tell you. Cool. My hair looks like the people on Instagram. So I got the rice water all incorporated into my first section. But I'm smelling it. Like, it still stinks. It still smells like booty. But it's not as bad. Been receiving this question a lot, if I'm going to be big chopping my hair. And my mother and I were talking about it yesterday when she was helping me take my hair out. I'm not big chopping my hair. I don't want to. For me personally, I don't see it's necessary. I prefer not to chop my hair off because, one, I would look weird with no hair. Two, my hair doesn't grow as fast. And my mom was telling me, she was like, well, it's because your strands and if you have split ends and your hair's not gonna grow, and I know that. But I'm worried that if I cut my hair and it doesn't look how I want it to look, then, I mean, I guess I could wear wigs and protective styles, but I just don't want to be doing all that. Also, some of you might be saying, why not? It's just hair. Your hair is already damaged. Like, why not just cut it off? And my hair is not that damaged. I just need to get trims, basically. That's really the main thing that I need. I just don't want to cut my hair. Like, you don't have to cut your hair if you don't want to. I've been seeing a lot of people at my school do the big chop, and then like after a while, they were like, I would never cut my hair again. And when I'm like, why? They're like, it's not worth it. Some people have really great experiences. Some people have really bad experiences with cutting their hair. I'd rather keep my hair and listen to other people talk about their experience. That's just me. Personally, that's what I prefer. I would much rather let my hair grow out and continue to learn how to take care of my hair instead of just cutting it all off to start over. My hair is not damaged from the end to the root. My hair is not damaged like that. And I think that if I would have like dyed my hair and stuff like that, then it would be damaged like that. Then I would probably be like, yeah, I need to cut my hair. But I've never dyed it. I've never had any type of perm or relaxer or any type of chemical other than shampoo and conditioner in my hair. Never had a keratin treatment. And I think that if you personally want to get a big chop, don't feel pressured to do it just because everybody else is doing it. Do it, educate yourself on it first, and then do it based on how you feel. Because you can always try and grow your hair out and then just cut out your bad ends. For me personally, I think that option is way better than just cutting my entire head, because my entire head is not damaged. Anyway, I just want to show you real quick. This is my jar of rice water. It is huge. This is all the rice water that I've fermented. It's been sitting in the fridge. I fermented this all a while ago when I first started doing the rice water, so around February. And then, like I said, I haven't been using it, so it's just been sitting in there. I saw this one video on YouTube. I don't remember who did it. It was a while ago, but I remember she just poured the rice water over her hair, and you could do that. But I kind of want the rice water to like soak a little bit since I haven't been using rice water in so long. Getting it all in my scalp, all through my strands, my ends. This doesn't smell that bad. This doesn't smell bad at all. Maybe just because I've been sitting in here for a while. But it's been fermenting in my fridge. Well, not fermenting in my fridge, but sitting in my fridge for months. Maybe it just, the smell kind of went away after a while. Finished my hair and I'm about to get ready to take my shower. I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for a little bit. This is how much shed hair I have, and this is probably normal since I left my dreadlocks in for so long. And I'm going to take the braids out, finger comb it, rinse it out, and then I'm gonna get out. I'm not gonna put shampoo or conditioner in it. I'm gonna put a deep conditioner in it. Okay, so I just got out the shower and my hair's, I left my hair in the braids. I was gonna take them out, but I left them in while I was in the shower just to make it easier to wash. And I took one of them out and this is what it looks like. So now I'm about to slick my hair. And I got shampoo in my eye, that's why my eye's red. But I'm about to slick my hair back and call it a day. Now, all the rice water is not rinsed out of my hair. I can still smell it in there just a little bit, but that's not that big a deal. This is my hair before it shrinks. I'm not gonna show you guys that whole process because I mean, all I'm really doing is just putting product in my hair and slicking my hair back. But what I really wanted to show you was the rice water rinse that I just did. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for 4,000 and some subscribers. It's crazy. It just blows my mind. I will see you guys in my next video. So peace.